Hi guys, so we moved the area for where we're going to be unboxing for our last unboxing video. Well, on this one, we were doing it over there, but it got too messy, and we went over here so we could eat food. So do you want to open Roblox or Pokemon cards first? Okay. Hey, Dad.
Whoa!
Dad, we got hockey players over there.
What the heck? There's a lot of stuff.
We should focus on your videos. The videos going.
Oh, no, huh?
We will.
Man, there's so many already.
Never get to Dubello, Cavity, Gavin, Bigler, Charmander, Hollow, Foil Trainer, Boom. So did you already have all of those? Yeah, I had all of them besides the Foil one and Professor Oaken. Okay. So I already kind of started taking the plastic off, and now, oh dang it, duplicate, yeah, duplicate, we already have this guy. Ooh. Last time,
No, the thing is that when one of the games next.
the code for this guy, so I'm gonna let Ronan use the code this time. Hey Ronan, the good thing is that you can use the code. Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, so here is a guy built. And that's all for our unboxing. Stay cool.